Hello and welcome to my AI Agents review. In this review, I'm going to show you everything that you need to know about AI agents and what it is and what you get inside. Now, after you watch this video, for some reason you still need to know a little bit about this product, I have created a pre-sale report. Just click the link down in the description down there. That'll give you a pre-sale report and give you exactly all the information that you need to make this decision on whether you want to purchase. But AI agents is just simply this. Just think about something just above ChatGPT. Just bots that are doing your repetitive tasks over and over and over again. This is what AI agents can do for you. You can have these agents run in the background 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year, and you're getting paid while they do it. So AI agents are about to take over the world, and we're going to show you how to use this insane power to your advantage, all while being super simple to do. So what this is this course, and it's going to show you how to do this with a software program. The software program is available on the internet for everybody to use. It is free to get started. You don't have to pay a dime until you start scaling it. So you can get started with this for free right now and start banking those profits. And quite frankly, those that use AI Agents Exposed are going to beat everyone else. Now, look down here. Imagine an army of PhDs working for you 24/7, simplifying the most complex tasks and driving results like never before, all while being super easy to set up with no technical skills necessary. And get ready to crush any niche. Yes, this works in any niche with AI Agents Exposed, because the people that have come up with this brilliant way to make money are making insane amount of money with this technology. And let me show you how much money that they're making right now. So they are making $100,000. They made $100,000 doing this in the first 43 days. And you have the ability to do that now because you're going to get that information of how they're doing that. And imagine if you had that access to 1,000 incredibly smart PhD level virtual assistants. They work for free for you and fulfill any money-making task so that you get paid immediately right away. Just imagine the power behind that. So let me go ahead and show you the actual members area here. So this is the members area of AI Agents Exposed. And here there's a good bit of videos for you to go through. So you want to make sure that you go through every single video in here. And you want to make sure that you're starting from the top and working your way down. Because if you look somewhere down and through the middle video isn't going to make much sense to you. So let me start here from the top and work my way down and just tell you a little bit about what these videos are. So the first video is an introduction. Obviously, it's going to tell you what AI Agents Exposed is and why you should be using it. Overview, this is pretty much the same thing. It's pretty much another introduction and overview of the system. Now, this is where it really starts to get good. The journey to get here, the pain you don't have to go through it in the big reveal. So they're going to show you the piece of software that they're using to do this. And they're just going to kind of like explain to you that they've been working on this for quite some time. And they just hasn't got to a part where they felt that they could release this for you and me to get started with this because it was too technical. Now they found the magical piece of the puzzle, and it's not technical anymore. You, me, and anyone else can do this right away, right out of the box. It's amazing. So in the next video, let's get started. Let's get the magic started and to get things going. So they're going to show you how to get started with it. They're going to show you how to get started with the software program that they're doing. Where exactly you should be. There's different places that you can be within that software program. And you want to make sure that you're in the right spot. So they want to make sure that you are there in the right spot in order for you to get this rolling for you. Making your first AI agent in record speed. You can have as many agents as you want. So you can make an agent that does a certain task, and you can make another agent that does another task. And they're doing these tasks over and over and over and over and over again every single day for you in the background. So while you're sleeping, they're making you money. Let's get into the nuts and bolts of this. So they're kind of get in more in-depth analysis as to exactly how to use it and how to use it to your advantage. And that goes into the next video as well. Let's dive even deeper and start peeling back the layers and let your agents be the workhorse with all the top platforms and apps with over 6,000 of them. You just get that through, let that roll through your head just a second. Over 6,000 apps that you can connect to this piece of software that will work in the background and do certain things for you with those 6,000 apps. And even just 1% of those 6,000 apps can make you a ton of money, but you can make money with every single one of those apps. Go deep with monetization and discover all of the different ways that you can get paid. So that's really where it really gets super, super powerful for you, because they're going to show you different ways that you can start making money with this. Your coming amazing future, and that is the conclusion. And then here is a AI agent special. This is a special, I would say kind of a bonus that they have created for you. It's a piece of their own software that will help you along the way. And watch this, because what's next? And that's it. So, like I said, this is very, very powerful stuff. AI agents is something that is just coming out. And people really don't know the software to program to get into. People are doing this the hard way, and they are stumbling along the way. They are making mistakes. You don't have to make those mistakes. You don't have to do that. So this is where this course comes in. You can get started with this today. Let these AI agents start rolling today, making you money right now for tomorrow. Thank you for watching this video until the end. I really appreciate you. Remember to get that pre-sale report down below in the description. Also, if you just decide you want to go ahead and get this right now, there's a link down below. It's an affiliate link. I appreciate you click on that link down below in the description to purchase this. So thank you for watching until the end. I'll see you in the next video.